integrations and apps. Okay, the name integrations and apps is from that some of the applications that you can connect and that you can use in Slack work like an integration. For example, when you connect a Google Doc, you can see some information about that doc that you are sharing in a group. For example, in a channel, you put it in a channel, and automatically you are going to see more information. So these integrations and apps are the ones that you can retrieve from Slack. Slack allows you to have many different third-party vendors that are providing you these different apps that are created. So it works in a similar way to what we have in Salesforce, like the Salesforce App Exchange. You have the Slack the directory in which you can from where you can retrieve this app directory allows you to retrieve the information, the different apps that are available for you, and there are many. So I will mention a little more later, but let's say that these kind of integrations can be divided between what they are doing in Slack. So let's start by saying that there are some that are called, you can see the different kinds here that I was mentioning. They bring information from your tools into Slack. This is the one of the most common that I have already mentioned here. The idea is that you are going to just show information inside your channel. For example, I put now a document from Google Docs, and it will appear all the whole information from that document, and you can enter here. But there are other ones. For example, the pipe real-time alerts in Slack. This is very important. That will automatically pop up some alerts. For example, if you have created a new release from a product that you have, or this will appear automatically. You can connect, for example, GitHub, and GitHub will send you a message through Slack that will appear in your group. So, and it's connected. You can connect it, for example, from other tools, will be with Twitter. If you put some conditions, so some tweets are going to appear there, and so on. This take action with essential tools in Slack is especially for high frequency, low effort tasks, like if you want to create events or something like that, you can automatically use the integration that you have with Slack. Then that allows you to create something in Google Calendar or using Outlook Calendar, so it covers most of the cases. Or you can also integrate this with Zoom, and you can directly click using Slack to enter to a Zoom call without needing to retrieve the link and share it through a channel, okay? And finally, we have these connect workflows from multiple systems, sorry. And this allows us to, and as I mentioned in my previous slide, you have different steps, and those steps that you have available can be not only inside the Slack, but also an external app. So, and this is a mixed automation with parties instant on Slack, and part of the actions are impacting a third-party vendor that you can connect here. I would like to add also that as Slack is part of Salesforce, Salesforce has already created several integrations that you have here. We are going to talk them later if you want, but the idea is that basically that allows you to keep you updated with the different stages that you have. For example, for the Service Cloud, in which you want to check what is happening with cases, is something that can be connected and you can see that. Or you can have the same thing from an opportunity in which you have different stages and things, and the updates are going to appear also. So those are the two examples. There are some features also for marketing and other ones that are going to be that are in the pipeline from a Salesforce perspective.